Hello, this is the police station. Policeman, my things got stolen. What can I do? Don't worry, I will catch the thieves for you. Thief, stop right there.
Choose a pan and start cooking. Yay! I have come to play at the Work Experience Center. Please help me insert some coins. What job will I try out today?
Policeman.
Here we go!
Help Kiki put on his outfit. Police uniform. Walkie-talkie. Handcuffs.
I'm a brave policeman. My job is to catch the bad guys.
Darn thieves, you dared to steal. I will catch you for sure. Got you. Don't even think of running away. Got you! Yay! We have caught all the thieves!
Work Experience Center, here I come! Please help me insert some coins. Which is the most interesting job?
Archaeologist.
Wow, that's amazing!
Help Mew Mew put on her outfit. Archaeologist suit. Magnifying glass. Shovel.
I'm an archaeologist. Let's see what's buried in the ground. An archaeologist uses a detector to find artifacts buried in the ground. There are artifacts here. There are artifacts underneath the rocks. Dig them up. There are artifacts here. Use the magnifying glass to find artifacts. Process the artifacts that you have dug up. I love coming to play at the Work Experience Center. Please help me insert some coins. Would you help me choose one?
Chef.
Yay! Let's play.
Help Momo put on her outfit. Chef uniform. Pan. Spatula.
I'm a chef, and I cook lots of delicious food every day. Little chef, what will you be cooking? Let's process the ingredients. Choose a pan and start cooking. This is delicious!